Yo guys, what's up? I'm back in part 2. Fresh video, fresh start hopefully. Fresh pulls. 89 plus is what I'm expecting. Hopefully it happens. Come on. John, JT all the way. Let's go. JT's a beast. Come on. There's gotta be someone better than Smith, like Kucherov, Upshaw. Get out of here. Cats. Right, I'm just gonna put this to make my collection bigger. This is ridiculous. I mean, they're free packs, like. EA, okay, I gotta admit, I'm still proud of EA for giving me all those previous pulls, but I mean, it's bloody free packs. Like, you can't give a good player in a free pack, can you? Oh, well, I've gotten many players good that are good. Oh, what? Wait. Did we just see something? Wait. Let me turn the camera. Did we just? Yeah, fuck yeah. Holy shit, it's fucking Kessel. Man, like, are you for real? It's that bloody Kessel. Like, I know, I'm not a big Leafs fan, but I mean, right, wait, there's talks he's gone from the Leafs or something? Well, even if it is, come to Coyotes, man. Come to, oh, look at that price. I mean, look at that price. Look at that, 54. Oh, it's only 54 though, but, yeah. Holy fuck. Oh, shit. 85, 87, and 90. Fuck yeah. Right, I'm gonna be collecting Toronto collection soon enough, so I'm gonna be playing on this account if I can keep getting good pulls from this. This is my lucky account. Right now I know. Holy shit. This now video is gonna be announced as 90 plus overall pull. Yes, we can confirm that that's gonna be a part of the title for this channel, channel video. And yeah, I'm just so happy. I don't know. It's a fucking Kessel, man. Oh shit. Like, why? What? I mean, yeah, EA, you treat me nice. I mean, I don't understand. Nice. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh yeah, this is the. Right, let's go. We're swapping. Alright, see you in. I'm just gonna pause it for a while. One thing is, guys, of course, I pulled that Kessel, you know, in one of those accounts, which I never even use, because I just use it for pack openings. But key thing is, we pulled a 90 plus overall, and it's Kessel, and he go for 54k, and he's a 90 overall. That's what we need in a pack opening. Good job, EA, you've done it. I've bet your game once. Well, not really beat it. I haven't really got anybody that good, that excellent. Well, Kessel is excellent in real life, but in this game, he's underrated. Should be higher. He's a way guy who can put up 40 plus points in a season. Okay, let's see, what do we get here? Oh, okay. Oh, John Scott. And oh, that's nice, because my favorite team on this account is Dallas, so that's what we needed. Alright, oh wait, we pull, so Colorado contract and plus 7 hands. You know, second part of this pack opening today. Part 2. New video, fresh start, second pack, booyah. We hit the jackpot. That is not what I usually expect, but, you know, it's good. EA is being good to me. Thank God. It's happening. But, hopefully it can happen again. No. This pack was, oh, fuck off. This pack went crappy. Yeah, get another Suomi. Sue me. Get another Sumi one. Okay. HBK. Leg injury, arm injury, and a 500 coins. That's not even bad, considering it's a free pack and you still get coins out of it. But anyway, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna swap this account again. I'll be back. Yeah, we're back again. And yeah, all I got a thing to say about you guys. I don't know what you guys think. I'm actually gonna ask you what you think, because personally, in my opinion, let this question be it, and it is, who do you think is the most underrated player in this game? I gotta go straight away with Pavelski. Pavelski should be at least a 93 plus, I think. Looking at especially this season and the last season. Looking at the game they had last, I mean, look at what he did. Oh, wait, what? We pull an Oshi. We pull an Oshi. Oh, that is nice. Always nice to have. Not a bad pull, to be honest. Oh, this is one of the accounts where I actually have him. Oh boy. It wasn't even, yeah, it was not really a big reaction because I've pulled him way too many times. I'm actually sick of Oshi right now, to be honest. I mean, I've pulled him, I don't know. I mean, least I'd say I've pulled him for it is about 20 times. Oshi, just straight up Oshi. Almost like every, I don't know, 10th pack, you're gonna see him. If you're like in the case of me. Oh, let's hope for another good guy. Let's hope for another good guy in that 6th pack. Let's see halfway through and we pull. Oh, nothing really. But 2 Winnipeg players, Macalet, Holden, Camber, some whatever for drawing Duck Flames, I think. Plus positioning and a coin bonus. That's always good to have. Boost your coins, 1,000 coins, I'm at now. Altogether I'm at about 17k right now on me, because I've got all free player teams, so no need anyway. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna swap accounts again, and it's gonna be pack count 7 and 8. So our good player count is here. And it is, right, we've got 3 88s, 190, and 187 overall. Okay, that's the players we've pulled. Kessel, Jordan Stahl, Oshie, who was it? Oh, Steen and Giordano. That was it. Okay, Steen, oh, twice in a pack opening. Oh, like, come on, it couldn't have been like someone like Daniel Sedin. No, it has to be Steen. Like, I've seen him. That's it. Good. Gone. No. Has to reappear. Oh. But still, that's 88 pluses. That's good. Well, 87 plus actually, because he's an 88. So 488s, 187, and 190. So far, we can make pretty good lines out of that. Out of all those players that we've pulled, yeah, we could. Right, Martinez, Stanley Cup game winner. Wow, he's underrated. Whoa, whoa, my brain just only realized that now. Kind of slow, but he's well underrated. I don't know, he should be at least 87 overall after that goal that he scored. Oh, that's alright, it's alright. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna pause it, and let's go for the count, I think, pack 9 and 10, no, 8, 7 and 8, I think. Not sure, but yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're back, and yeah, okay, oh yeah, this team already has 1,000 bucks. Okay, it's great. Bucks, coins, sorry guys. Let's see, this is our pack count. 4 more packs remaining, well, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's see, hopefully someone good. And then, guys, I'll show you my team afterwards. My free player team. Haven't been really gaming it up that much lately. Oh, 86 Parento. 82. Okay, our lowest is an 82. That's not even bad. Whoa, I made them my jerseys. Whoa, I'm gonna make this my jersey. Send the consumables. Okay, Edmonton, you could give me some better change team than that. Why would I want to have Edmonton? They're at a rebuild stage right now. Some change team like Chicago, Detroit, Arizona, of course I'd love that. But anyway, let's see, and we pull, afraid to say we pull nothing. 2 more packs remaining. So far in these 22 packs, we have, oh, Savard, we pulled a legend. Okay, that's good. So far in these pack openings, there's 22 packs that have been opened in total in the 2 parts. And we have pulled pretty good players. We've pulled 5, no, we've pulled 6. We've pulled 6 good players. We've pulled 2 Steen, double Steen. We've pulled double Steen. We've pulled Stahl, Jordan Stahl. We've pulled Giordano. And we have pulled Kessel. Oh yeah, that's it actually. Yeah, we've pulled double Steen. Yeah, we've pulled 5 actually, yeah. My maths is not great. But anyway guys, I'll see you back in the next 2 packs and I'll show you my team afterwards. Right guys, I'm back. I think this is going to be a video night instead, you know. I'm going to do a review of this same team that I have here now on this account, but like I've got a mixture of players. We'll show you around, you know, after these 2 packs. I'm going to end this video, and if you still want to watch it, of course, I hope you guys can go onto the basically, it's like part 3, except it's not going to be called a part. It's just going to be called like my team review or something, you know. I'm just going to show you. It's going to be probably like, I don't know, 8 minutes long. I'm going to get my 2 teams. I've got 2 teams all together that are looking pretty well. Oh, we hit someone good. We hit someone good to put new in our team. Whoa, that is deadly stuff. Oh, and Lois being a commo. That's nice. Alright, we've got Saginaw. Weird. Nope. Yeah, that's the jersey. That's what I'm talking about. Pittsburgh Penguins looking great jersey. Awesome. Alright guys, this has ended in altogether, I'm pretty sure 4 88 overalls. Crap. 5 88 overalls. Could be more. No, it's not. Crap. Right. Okay, so what are the pulls that we've got? The pulls are, right, we've got an Oshie, 88 overall, Jordan Stahl, 88 overall. We've got Mark Giordano, 87 overall. We've got 2 Steens, 88 overall each. And we've also pulled Oshie, Stahl, 2 Steens, pulled a Kessel, which is the most important pull of this episode. And alright, I'll show you guys my team in the next video, so hope you enjoyed this video. This was a great pack opening. I enjoyed opening 24 packs because we got someone good out of it, extremely good. As a matter of fact, one of the top players out in there in the league. So alright, see you guys in the next video.